If your GMC Acadia refuses to start, don't panic. Let's walk through the most likely culprits in under 3 minutes. Over 70% of no-start issues in this platform are simply due to a dead battery or loose connections. Let us break down the diagnostic process step by step. Always start by checking your battery terminals, the key fob battery, and confirming the transmission is fully in park. If the basics check out, consider the starter motor, the neutral safety switch, or a failing alternator. Don't overlook corroded ground straps or blown fuses, which frequently cause intermittent starting issues in the Acadia. Basic maintenance is easy to do, but internal starter or computer issues should go to a professional shop. Here is a breakdown of what you might expect to pay for the most common starting repairs. For advanced diagnostics, use an OBDI scanner to read codes and a multimeter to test your battery under load. Keep a basic multimeter, a standard socket set, and a reliable scanner in your trunk for emergencies. Remember that safety comes first, so always disconnect the negative battery cable before starting any electrical repairs. If you're still stuck after these checks, it is time to call a mechanic. Thanks for watching.